Hi guys, this is Mama Lori here, and I am getting ready to make, actually not getting ready to make, I am making keto gravy. Yeah, I told you guys this, but if you need to thaw something out fast to make, like a pound of frozen hamburger or even frozen sausage, any ground meat, this is how I thaw it out real fast. It doesn't matter if it's thawed out or not. You can put the frozen chub of meat in here, add some hot, some water, and just start boiling it. And then you just shave off. You put a lid on, and then you shave off the meat as it thaws out, and you turn the frozen chunk over, and you get it all thawed out. That's how I do a quick meal. Sometimes when I haven't planned ahead and I need something fast, that's how I'll do something fast, like a spaghetti or a gravy. Okay, so then I'm going to take my cream cheese, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the cream cheese in there. So there's 2 packets of cream cheese that's involved in this, 1 pound of sausage, and I've got, what have I got? It's about 6 cups of half and half. Generally I don't measure, but I thought you guys would appreciate at least the attempt to give you measurements. Get all the goodies off. Clean up my station. And then just cut that cheese up into chunks. And let it melt in there. Next thing you do is you add your milk. And I just want to cover it up. You know what? Instead of using 6 cups, I think it's going to be more like 5 cups that I end up using, because I think I like the level of this. I like the level of this. You see how it's just covering everything? At this point, it's a reducing time. The heat is going to go back down to probably medium, and you're just going to keep on stirring this until it thickens up. Now you don't have to constantly stand here, but if you're cleaning up your dishes, working on your biscuits, you just come over here frequently and give this a stir so it doesn't stick. Here's another thing that I like to do. You can do whatever you want, but I like this organic no salt seasoning, and so I'm gonna put a nice little batch of that in there. Sometimes I use Italian seasoning. Of course, garlic is something that is in everything. And a nice good batch of pepper will make this really delicious. Almost like, you see all those seasonings in there, and it looks pretty soupy right now, but it's going to turn into something magical. All right, I'll come back in just a few minutes and show you the next step.